In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block fake orders on Shopify, a crucial step for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your online store. Dealing with fraudulent orders can be frustrating and time-consuming, but with a few strategic actions, you can significantly reduce their impact. So, let's get started on protecting your business. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the control center for your store and where you'll make adjustments to mitigate fake orders. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section, which can be found at the bottom left of your dashboard. Click on this, and then select Payments from the options presented. Here, you'll manage how transactions are processed on your site. Scroll down until you see a section called Fraud Prevention. This is where you can enable key features to catch unauthorized activity before it becomes a problem. Within this section, you'll find an option to automatically decline charges that fail the postal or zip code verification. Enabling this filter will help prevent fraudulent orders where the payment method details have been copied without full verification. Similarly, you may choose to decline orders that do not match the credit card security code verification. When these security checks are in place, it becomes much harder for fake orders to slip through without detection. Next, you should consider using Shopify's native fraud analysis feature, which provides useful insights by evaluating each order for signs of fraud and highlighting risky transactions. This feature uses machine learning algorithms and is constantly being updated to reflect the latest fraud trends. While it doesn't block orders automatically, this tool enables you to review potentially suspicious transactions quickly. Additionally, look into downloading and installing third-party apps from the Shopify App Store that focus on fraud prevention. Apps such as Fraud Filter allow you to create custom rules and block orders that match certain criteria you specify, like specific countries or payment methods. These apps often provide a further layer of security and are highly customizable based on your store's unique needs. Moving forward, enabling the Shopify reCAPTCHA on your checkout process can also cut down on fake orders significantly. This feature requires customers to verify they are human before completing their purchase, reducing the chances of bots automatically placing fraudulent orders. Finally, regularly monitoring your transactions for patterns can alert you to potential issues. Look out for repeated failed transactions, an unusually high number of orders from the same IP address, or orders where the shipping and billing addresses don't align. Regular vigilance is key. By implementing these strategies, you'll enhance the security of your Shopify store and encourage genuine customer transactions while warding off potential fraud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.